Now, curl of a vector point function. The curl of a continuously differentiable vector point function f bar is defined by the equation curl f bar is equal to, which is denoted by or written as del cross f bar. We know that del means I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z cross f bar. Now this becomes I bar cross product between two vectors I bar cross dou by dou x of f bar plus j bar cross dou by dou y of f bar plus k bar cross dou by dou z of f bar, cross product between two vectors. Therefore, I bar cross dou by dou x of f bar. Similarly, this can also be written as sigma I bar cross dou by dou x of f bar, or I bar cross dou by dou x of f bar. So that means sigma means summation. So it means I bar cross dou by dou x of f bar plus next term j bar cross dou by dou y of f bar plus next term k bar cross dou by dou z of f bar. I bar next term j bar next term k bar. So x next term y next term z. Therefore, this is a curl f bar. Or note, if a continuously differentiable vector point function f bar is in the form of f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, then curl f bar, that is del cross f bar, is equal to determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar and components of I bar, j bar, k bar in the del. So component of I bar in del dou by dou x, component of j bar in del dou by dou y, component of component of k bar in del. See here, component of I bar is dou by dou x, component of j bar is dou by dou y, component of k bar is dou by dou z in the definition of del vector differential operator. Therefore, here dou by dou z. And component of I bar in f bar, f1, component of j bar in f bar, f2, component of k bar in f bar is equal to f3. So this determinant gives the curl of f bar, curl or rotation of a vector f bar, f1, f2, f3 components of I bar, j bar, k bar respectively. Curl of a vector can also be explained as the curl of a vector field gives the angular velocity at any point of the vector field. That is a curl of a vector field. So next, irrotational vector. Irrotational. The continuously differentiable vector point function f bar is said to be irrotational if curl of a vector f bar equal to 0 bar. Curl f bar, this is del cross f bar. Therefore, cross product is a vector quantity. Curl f bar is equal to 0 bar. That means 0 I bar plus 0 j bar plus 0 k bar. So, if curl f bar is equal to 0 bar, then we say that the vector point function f bar is irrotational. So, if f bar is irrotational, there will always exist a scalar point function phi of x comma y comma z such that f bar is equal to del phi. This phi is called scalar potential of f bar in the electrical field. So it is very important. So scalar potential plays a very important role in the electrical engineering. Problems on curl of a vector. Problem number 1. If r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, show that curl r bar equal to 0 bar or del cross r bar equal to 0 bar. So sometimes we may use capital R bar to represent the position vector. I am repeatedly explaining that in some of the cases, so in some of the textbooks or some of the authors use capital letter to represent the position vector, or in the textbooks instead of using bar they can use thick letters, bold letters to represent the vectors. For scalars use without bold letters. First write down, let r bar is equal to position vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now we have to find curl r bar. Curl r bar or del cross r bar. I already explained del cross F bar definition. Determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar. Components of I bar, J bar, K bar in del. Components of the vector F bar. So components of I bar, J bar, K bar in the vector F bar. Here we have to write determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar and components of I bar, J bar, K bar in del, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and components of I bar, J bar, K bar in R bar, that is x, y, z. Therefore, you know that how to evaluate 3 by 3 determinant. So therefore I bar into, so by deleting first row first column, by multiplying these two quantities, this one minus this one, dou by dou y of z minus dou by dou y of z. So partial derivative of z with respect to y 0, partial derivative of y with respect to z is also 0. Equal to I bar into dou by dou y of z minus dou by dou z of y minus j bar into, by deleting first row second column, dou by dou x of z minus dou by dou z of x plus k bar into dou by dou x of y by deleting first row third column. So dou by dou x of y minus dou by dou y of x. Now all the partial derivatives becomes a 0 here. I already explained 0 minus j bar into, this is also z partial derivative with respect to x 0, x partial derivative with respect to z is 0, my plus k bar into partial derivative of y with respect to x 0, partial derivative of x with respect to y also 0. Therefore, this is equal to 0 bar. Curl R bar is equal to 0 bar. So, in the previous divergence, we proved that divergence of R bar is equal to 3. But here, curl of R bar is equal to 0 bar. Second one, if F bar is equal to x square z I bar minus 2y cube z square j bar plus xy square z k bar, find curl F bar at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Now first write down the given vector point function f bar is equal to, let f bar is equal to x square z I bar 2y cube z square j bar plus x y square z k bar. Now curl F bar, that is equal to del cross f bar equal to determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar Now components of I bar, j bar, k bar in del dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and components of f bar x square z minus 2y cube z square x y square z. Therefore, this can be written as I bar into, by deleting first row, first column, dou by dou y of x y square z. So with respect to y, x and z are constants. Therefore, derivative of y square 2y 2x y z minus dou by dou z of this one minus 2y cube is a constant, minus of minus plus z square derivative 2z. Therefore, this is 4y cube into z minus j bar into, by deleting first row, second column, and multiply these two. Therefore, dou by dou x of x y square z. So y square z is a constant. X derivative is 1 minus dou by dou z of this one. X square is a constant. Derivative of z is 1 plus k bar into, by deleting first row, third column. So dou by dou x of this one, no x. So yz constants, therefore 0 minus dou by dou y of this one, there is no y. Therefore, this is also 0. Now we have to find the curl of a vector at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Substitute x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. Now curl f bar at a point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 equal to, now substituting x is equal to 1, I bar into 2 into 1 into minus 1 into 1. Therefore, that is minus 2 plus 4 into minus 1 whole cube minus 1 into plus 1, that is minus 4 minus j bar into y square minus 1 whole square plus 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 square plus k bar into already 0. So therefore 0 k bar. Therefore this becomes minus 2 minus 4, 6 I bar, 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore 0 j bar plus 0 k bar, that means 6 I bar. So this value is equal to 6 I bar. Here minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Here I forgot to write minus. Therefore, this is minus 6i. Curl of f bar at a point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 is minus 6i. Now next problem number 3. Problem number 3. Find div f bar and curl f bar where f bar is equal to grade of x cube plus y cube plus z square, z cube minus 3 times xy z. So we have to find divergence and curl of a vector f bar. F bar is here, grade of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Therefore, first we have to find the grade of a scalar point function x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Then it becomes a vector, since del is a vector differential operator. F bar is equal to grade of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Therefore, this is equal to grade of del of, that means I bar dou by dou x of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus j bar into dou by dou y of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus k bar into dou by dou z of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Therefore, this can be written as I bar into partial derivative of this quantity with respect to x cube, that is 3x square, minus 3 is a constant, y is a constant, z is a constant, derivative of x is 1, plus j bar into, similarly we can get 3y square minus 3 times with respect to y. So x is a constant, z is a constant, zx. Therefore, plus k bar into, similarly 3 z square minus 3 times with respect to z partial derivative. 3 is a constant, x is a constant, y is a constant, z derivative is a 1. Or otherwise, this can also be written as a sigma I bar dou by dou x, and find the derivative of first quantity and write all the other derivatives similarly. This is F bar. For this, we have to calculate div of F bar and curl of F bar. For this, we have to find divergence of F bar. We know that if F bar is equal to F1 I bar plus F2 j bar plus F3 k bar, then div F bar is equal to, say, this is of the form F1 I bar plus F2 j bar plus F3 k bar. Therefore, divergence of F bar is equal to dou by dou x of F1 plus dou by dou y of F2 plus dou by dou z of F3. Therefore, this is dou by dou x of F1, dou by dou y of F2 plus dou by dou z of F3. Therefore, this is equal to dou by dou x of F1 is 3 is a common factor. 3 into constant x square minus yz. Therefore, take out 3 as a common factor in all the terms, plus dou by dou y of y square minus zx plus dou by dou z of z square minus xy. Therefore, this can be written as 3 times partial derivative of this one with respect to x. So that is 2x, and yz derivative is 0 plus y square derivative 2y, zx derivative is 0 since partial derivative with respect to y, zx constants, plus z square derivative 2z and xy derivative is 0. Therefore, this is equal to 2 is again a common factor. 6 into x plus y plus z. This is Dirac-Bar. Next, find out curl F bar. Now, next we have to find curl F bar. Curl F bar is equal to determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar, I bar, j bar, k bar, and the components of del dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and F1. What is F1? Here, F1 3 into x square minus yz, F2 3 into y square minus zx, F3 3 into y z square minus xy. 3 into x square minus yz. 3 into y square minus zx. 3 into z square minus xy. Therefore, this is equal to I bar into dou by dou y of this one. So therefore 3 is a common factor. 3 into with respect to y, z square derivative is 0. Therefore minus 3x. Next, minus partial derivative of 3 into y square minus zx. Therefore with respect to z, y square derivative is 0. Therefore here z derivative is 1, x is a constant. Minus of minus plus 3 into x minus j bar into, by deleting first row, second column, dou by dou x of this one with respect to x, 3 into z square derivative is 0. Therefore minus 3y. So in this x derivative is 1, y is a constant. Next, minus dou by dou z of this one, partial derivative 3 is a constant. Derivative of x square 0, minus minus plus derivative of yz. So the y is a constant, z derivative is 1. Next, plus k bar into, by deleting first row, third column, dou by dou x of this one, 3 into derivative of y square 0 minus derivative of zx. So z is a constant, x derivative is 1, minus dou by dou y of 3 derivative of x square is 0, minus minus plus y derivative is 1, z is a constant. Therefore here all the terms gets cancelled. Therefore this is equal to 0 bar. This is equal to 0 bar. Curl F bar is equal to 0 bar. Therefore curl F bar is equal to 0 bar. That means curl of a gradient of a scalar point function is 0. You remember this as a result. Curl of a gradient is equal to 0. Gradient of any function, this becomes 0.